हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल ऑनलाइन अनबॉक्सिंग एंड ऑनेस्ट रिव्यू, जिसका नाम चेंज करके हमने कर दिया है इनोवेट अनबॉक्सिंग। तो थंबनेल से आपको पता चल गया होगा कि आज हम बात करने वाले हैं हेडसेट की, और उसका जो ऑनेस्ट रिव्यू है वो देने की मैंने कोशिश की है। लेकिन उससे पहले इंट्रो चल हो जा शुरू।
Zombie apocalypse.
Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm gonna unbox and show you guys the HyperX Cloud Stinger gaming headsets. So this package was a bit dirtier from this side. I don't know what was the reason. So on the top you will get to see the sticker of Amazon and the details for the buyer and the address of the customer, as it is my address, and this order was prepaid. So I'll just quickly grab my knife and I'll just cut open into the package of Amazon. So here we go. So guys, here are the HyperX Cloud Stinger gaming headsets. So I'll just quickly remove this from the packaging, and you will get nothing else inside the package of Amazon, just the gaming headsets. So guys, on the top of the box you will get to see a hanger to hang these headphones, and on the front of the box you will get to see a photograph of the headphones and few specifications, which says lightweight headsets with 90-degree rotational cups, signature HyperX comfort, adjustable steel sliders, and on the bottom you will get to see that these are Discord certified and it comes with 2 years of warranty. Below that it shows that with which device these headphones are compatible, and you'll get to see a HyperX logo here. So on the right side you will get to see that this company is official sponsor of Cloud9, EchoFox and different esport roasters, and on the bottom you will get to see photos of devices with which these are compatible. And on the back side you will get to see a few specifications of these headphones in different languages. So if you need a different language to understand, like your main language is different, then you will get to see this. On the bottom some details and a QR code to scan, and on the top the MRP of this headphones is about 6,290 rupees, but when I ordered it from Amazon it cost me around 4,680 rupees. But right now the price of this headphones is about 7,800 rupees, so it has increased a lot. So in this box on the top you will get to see a card which says HyperX has covered this and all the things which are made by HyperX. So I think this is not important right now, and a quick user guide for first time users like I am for the HyperX headphones, basically the HyperX Cloud Stinger. So make sure that you go through it thoroughly before using your headphones. So I'll just keep this aside, and the first thing which I noticed was that the packaging of this headphones is really good. Like you get a sticker on top of your microphone so that it doesn't get damaged while shipping. So I'll just remove that real quick, and these headphones are tied up with a string on the back side of the plastic case so that they just don't get dispatched from the place. So until I unwrap this, I'll just tell you a quick info about this headphones. So this headphones comes with 50 mm drivers, and it comes with stereo sound, not with 7.1 surround sound. It comes with stereo sound, and the frequency characteristics of these headphones are from 18 to 23,000 hertz. So that's really good. So here the headphones comes out from the plastic case, and holding this it feels really very premium on the first case. I'll just keep that aside, and let's see what else we get inside the box. And here is the dual microphone and headphone splitter for the headphones if you want to connect it with the PC. So guys, This is the card which we discussed earlier, so I'll just keep that aside. And this is the user manual which I said you should read before using the product. And here is the dual audio splitter. This is a 1.7 meter cable. This is non-braided cable or normal cable which you would get with a earphone or so. So here are dual output, one for audio and one for the music. So the cable is not braided, it is a plastic cable which you see with the headphones, normal headphones. But this cable really feels very good. But if they gave braided cable, that would be really much better for these headphones. So as you can see, these are 90-degree rotational cups, and holding it in hand, it is really good. Now you will get to see a full body of plastic, but the sliders are made from steel as it suggested on the box. And the ear cups, it comes with memory foam, and the foam used here is really of very high quality. And this is the microphone, adjustable microphone. And one of the cool feature of this microphone is that if you just move it upwards, it will automatically mute yourself. Like you don't need to go into the game and settings and mute yourself. And here is the volume rocker to increase or decrease the volume directly here from the headphones. And here is the 1.3 meters of a normal 3.5 mm headphone jack cable. So the cables here are really long given by the company, so this is a really good thing. But the only thing which I didn't like was that if they gave braided cable, that would be really good. So the quality is the same as we get to see in the cable of the dual splitter. Those are the same. So this comes with a red and black theme. So guys, this was my review on the HyperX Cloud Stinger gaming headphones. If you want to buy these headphones from the Amazon, I'll give a link to that in the description box below, so go and check out that link also if you are interested in buying these headphones. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care guys.